into it. The 53rd Weather Reconnaissance Squadron of the U.S. Air Force, or hurricane hunters, have been pretty busy. In fact, they've been using JBSA Lackland for their missions into Hurricane Delta.
Justin Horn was there today as the crew prepared to fly into the storm again.
2020 has been hectic.
The hurricane hunters have been busy.
The tempo, just constant, multiple storms at one time, going to different locations and flying storms in the Gulf and the Atlantic and Pacific simultaneously.
This is what they do, and it's vitally important.
The main mission is to get to the center of the storm.
From there, they collect various data from inside their C-130 aircraft, measuring things like wind speeds using instruments called dropsondes. It's kind of like taking an X-ray of the storm.
Out over the water, there's nothing that can accurately measure in real time.
That data going into models to help better predict these tropical systems and potentially save lives.
This is the cockpit of the C-130. So far, they've flown about 5 missions here from San Antonio into Hurricane Delta.
Had we stayed back in Biloxi, it's possible that the weather would not have permitted us to continue running 24-hour storm operations.
Keesler Air Force Base in Biloxi is their home base, but they've had to relocate several times this year, using Joint Base San Antonio Lackland on 3 occasions for Sally, Beta, and now Delta.
Delta's been a little bit tricky. It hasn't been quite as organized in a textbook case the entire time.
So what storm has been the most impressive?
This season, I think Laura, for me personally, was the most memorable. Just an incredible storm as far as intensity.
And the season's not over yet, which means more missions may be ahead. Justin Horn, KSAT 12.
No matter weather, sleet, or snow.